Hi, this is Barbara at Kaizink, and I wanted to show you a quick improvement today by adding a product into Corebridge. One of my clients in the past had ordered some high heat vinyl for an application that was on an outdoor water tower and needed something that would resist high heat. So in searching for this product the last time, finally found it, but at that time I did not add the product into Corebridge. That was probably 3 or 4 months ago. Came back and wanted to reorder it today, so I had to redo the whole process again of trying to find it. So this time what I did was add that product into Corebridge by going into the Management tab, going to Parts, going to Manage, and what I did was I found a similar product, which it is an RTA product. So I came to, and I know that it's a cast material, so I just came to this one, or RTA for vehicles and cast, because it is a similar product. When you do that, you can go in there and clone that part and then make the necessary changes. So I'm going to go back now and find what I added in so that you can see that, which is this RTA high heat cast. So in going into the previous one, I changed the naming convention over to high heat RTA and then went into the part settings and adjusted the cost and the pricing for it and updated that. Additionally, went into due dates to make sure that those were set correctly. And then on the details in here, put in what the product is. It's in the same categories under vinyl cut and vinyl print. It uses the same machines and the modifiers are the same. So at that point, we just saved that, and that put the new part in there so that no one in the future will have to search for this part again. Thank you for watching.